What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Shift Talk. I'm so excited to have you here if you're a first-time guest. Today we're going to be going out to visit with one of my buddies who actually just bought a brand new Huracan Technica. That's right, a Lamborghini 2023 Huracan Technica. It is the mix between the regular Huracan Evo and the Huracan STO. I'm super excited to get to go out to Lamborghini today. We're going to be meeting up with our sales guy, Tom. We're going to be showing my buddy his new Huracan Technica, as well as going over some of the small things he's getting done right now, like PPF, tint, and a couple other things. But I'm super excited to show you guys the inventory over there at Lamborghini of Dallas, get you some great information on the Technica. And right now, as you can see, we just hopped in the Z06. We're going to meet up with him, and then we're going to head out and get on over to Lamborghini of Dallas. We're rolling out, Z06 and the GT3, baby, on our way to Lamborghini. Let's go get that new Technica, baby. Man, there is just nothing like the back end on a GT3. Except for the sound of the Corvette. Oh, look how sexy that thing is. Would you look who it is? What up, Dad?
Hey.
Where are we off to?
Lamborghini.
Let's go, baby.
Car sounds nasty.
Yeah. Give us the flyby in the Lexus. Man, 1,800 miles already. What? Essentially, what the Technica is almost similar to the GT3 Touring, from my understanding. You know, the STO is going to be more similar to like a GT3 RS, where the Technica is like the GT3 Touring, and in the regular Huracan Evo, you know, would be more along the lines of like a Turbo or Carrera S, something like that. So that's kind of how it works, against stacking up against like a Porsche, something similar. But nonetheless, I'm super excited to see the Technica. I've actually never seen a Technica. So what I was told is that the Technica actually has the motor and the drivetrain out of the STO, which I find to be pretty interesting. So it is faster than the Evo. Now, I asked the Lamborghini sales guy, Tom, who y'all will meet here in just a minute, hey, what would it take for me to get my hands on an STO or a Technica without a markup being brand new? And he said we're looking anywhere from about 4 to 7 years out. So they're sold out, to say the least, but nonetheless, I'm excited to see one. I think he said they got 7 or 8 STOs on the lot. They're about an $80,000 markup, so we'll check those out. And then we're also going to be checking out an F355 Spider Ferrari that's a gated manual that I'm actually considering buying. So we'll check those stuff out. Guys, I'm freaking stoked. I haven't been to Lamborghini of Dallas yet, and we'll catch up with y'all in just a second. All right, I've got a real soft spot for GT3s because I think they're freaking sick, and you can't beat the 9,000 RPM red line. But man, do they sound like shit bone stock. They need a straight pipe exhaust so badly. Little tunnel action. And here we are at the Mecca. Ooh, a little SF90 out front. Ooh, someone's got their STO in for service. Nice. Hasta la vista, GT3. Look at that. This has got to be one of the best STO collections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this is the same exact as mine, just with the Z07 package. 0 miles. 6, yeah. Well, delivery miles. Yeah. You like the Z07 package?
At first, when I saw this car, I
That's what my dad says too.
Now it's growing.
I can't decide what I think
I thought
about
was
it.
goofy.
My dad thinks it looks cheap. Have you seen ours out front? We have low wing. Look. This one just kind of fell in my lap. I didn't even actually spec it. Someone couldn't afford it, so we bought it.
Yeah, the wing looks a lot better.
Yeah, you like the low wing, huh? So do I.
It reminds me of the last body style.
What?
It reminds me of the last body style.
Yeah, it does. I think the low wing looks super nice though.
Called Verde Mantis.
Verde Mantis, that's right.
Is that the one you paid $15,000 extra for the color?
No, this is like a $9,800 color.
Okay.
Only $100 bucks?
It's not a green. It was a special green. It was $15,000. I really liked it.
We make many different shapes.
The blue accents and all the stuff.
They only want like, what, 70 over on the STO? 75? I like the purple STO. Completely looked over the casual Pagani.
Oh, no, I saw it.
This is our full orange one is a supercar.
Y'all.
That's my supercar. Scratching a little bit.
Ratio Pagani. Oh my god. Pretty cool they got a Z07 package though. See, I like the big canards and all that. You don't like those?
I think it makes it look like a Corvette.
I think we need an STO.
That white STO is badass up there.
What one do you like, the white or the
Yeah,
purple?
That white one.
Y'all tell us, should we get it? Now this is what I need right here. Navy blue SV. Ultimate's electric.
It's not the best driving Aventador. The best driving Aventador is an S.
Aventador S. Do you guys have one?
Right here. Yeah.
Oh.
This is for the money. This is the best driving Aventador.
How much?
This car, you're 500.
Brand new though.
No, that's pre-owned price 500.
How many miles?
This car is 6,000 miles.
Pretty much new.
This car isn't all-wheel steering. This is, and then the S's get a revised suspension.
More comfortable.
Yeah. It's a better driving car.
Same transmission.
Yeah, same transmission.
The bronze is beautiful though.
Yeah.
Rare. I've never seen a bronze actually. Ooh, white seats.
Yeah, white seats, white interior.
Gorgeous. Coming down the pipe that we could maybe like order. Like, are they going to get rid of the Huracans? Like, what's the deal? Is this the last race Huracan
This is the last naturally powered track car, V10.
ever from them though? So these will go up in value.
Potentially, I mean, we can't promise you that.
Yeah, obviously. Well, by rule of thumb, you would say.
It's the last naturally powered V10 only track car.
And these were limited production. Kind of.
They're not numbered, but they never told us how many they're going to make.
Maybe 4,000 of them? 5? Less?
I'd say less.
2,000?
Maybe 2 to 3, I guess.
Look at this, all carbon in here, dry carbon. Wow, this is incredible. It's beautiful. 75% of the car carbon fiber, you said?
Yeah, so it's basically the front and the back.
I love the paint over the white.
I like the way I sit in here. It's comfortable.
The sport seats are really nice. My
Yeah.
favorite part is they have a nice vent to let your back breathe because my back gets hot.
Yeah, my back's sweaty.
Sconcio means release in Italian, so it's very fast for you to pull it. It's not like the older seats or race seats in some cars where you have to dig underneath for the bar.
Oh, you just grab that and slide.
Yeah. So like, let's say you like to sit more forward driving, and then it's time to get out. You can release it
Yeah,
really
I like that.
fast.
Oh, the seats are all carbon too on the bottom as well.
This one has interior carbon package, so you lose your cup holder, and then the Lamborghini logo is $1,000, and that's an off-menu item.
I like that
It's
though.
not on the configurator.
So this is a pretty rare spec.
Yeah, it's
You
a
got
nice spec.
the matte gold with the white. It's beautiful. Wow. Super Veloce Jota. That's what it is. So they had the SV, and then they came out with the SVJ as the predecessor. Jota. What is it, Delara?
So Dallara is a basically a race car builder. So it's in Motor Valley in Italy. So they have 4 factories in Italy. They have 1 in Indy. They make the IndyCar, Formula E. They make all the bodies for Lamborghini, Ferrari, Maserati, NASCAR.
So this thing's the real deal.
Yeah, and then they have they're a contractor for SpaceX. and the government. So like when you see
Carbon
the
fiber work and stuff.
So when you see the factory in in Indianapolis, they have a section where it's government access only. It's 500 horsepower, 2.3 liter 4-cylinder Ford engine. It can pull 2.7 G's in a corner.
Dad, look at this thing.
The Revuelto can only pull 1.35. This will pull 2.7.
Sexy. Here she is, huh? Man, congratulations, bro. You're gonna be in pain breaking it in. Different about the Technica versus the regular Evo?
So this is 33 pounds lighter than an Evo. It has 35% better downforce than an Evo. The front trunk, basically, and then the engine bay are carbon.
Oh, look at that.
To expose them.
How much extra to expose it?
It's about $5,200 each side. So
Worth
front
it.
and back.
Worth it though. That's gorgeous.
I think the back is a must.
Yeah.
Depending on the color, then we'll do the front.
Show us what you mean on the back. You're talking about the
yeah.
exposed engine cover.
Normally this is the body color, and then you can pay about $5,200 to have it be glossy carbon fiber or matte carbon fiber. Beautiful. On the Technica, they lowered the glass. It used to be at an angle, much more of an angle on the Evo, so they flattened it to showcase the engine.
I love that, and they gave you that little back window too.
This body line is off the Essenza V12, which was the race car.
Ooh, I didn't know that.
So that's where that
I like that actually. Is this an active arrow right in here?
It's
or?
just a trim piece, but
just trim.
if you look at it and you look at that car, it's the exact same.
Still kept the intakes though out of like old school Gallardo almost.
Yep.
Those are cool.
This car's been optioned with glossy black Demiso wheels, which is the Technica wheel that the car was shown with.
I love these. What are the other options?
The orange brake caliper's an option. It's got a glossy black style package, so all the rocker panels and stuff are done in glossy black.
What would they usually be?
So the car starts off in black plastic, then you could do a body color. So like let's say Andrew picked body color, this would be body color.
I see.
And then the front Y would be bare plastic, so the glossy black is the best option because then you don't have the Y's in glossy black.
Oh.
And everything's finished.
Man.
This is basically a road-going version of the STO, so it has the guts, the powertrain of the STO, but then it has normal Evo brakes.
I love it.
And then you get all the brake temperature meters and stuff on the touchscreen.
So basically just more of a usable STO.
Correct.
I love it. I love it. And you guys here down at Lamborghini Dallas have 7 STOs.
Yeah.
So any viewers who need an STO, they got to come see Lambo Tom.
This car has the sport seats with laser engraved. This is basically the Technica seat.
I love the laser engraved.
The floor mats have been upgraded with leather piped. The starter flap is painted for $1,000. That's an ad personam option. It's painted in Narancio Borealis.
You can't have that red though. That would look funky.
Yeah. I mean, some guys still want it to match the anima button on the steering wheel.
For selecting sport mode, Corsair, Strada.
So that paint is called Rosso Festo.
And that's the red.
That's the red. And then Andrew picked Alcantara Dash
Which
and
I
Headliner.
love the Alcantara.
In the world of Lamborghinis, a pretty cheap option.
Yeah, right? Well, man, Tom, thank you so much, brother. This thing is gorgeous.
No problem.
Appreciate the walk around. Excited for
I can
our...
start it up.
Oh, yeah, give her a little fire up. God, the back end.
Sport, which is like your drift mode, and then Course is your track.
Screen display change, just like the other cars?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I like
The
that.
car's still cold right now, but once it kicks out of it, warms up, you'll hear
RPMs will drop and all that
You'll
too.
hear the valving. So there it goes. And so there's sport mode.
Oh my God, that's a lot different. Tom, she sounds angry. That was only 3,500.
This is 3,500.
Wow. It sounds incredible. Lambo Tom has so much great information, and that was just an absolutely off-the-hook tour of Lamborghini Dallas. We got to see some Paganis, Aventador S, STOs, Ultimate, Performante, Urus, really the whole 9 yards. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed filming it, but again, I appreciate you. Make sure to press that like button and the subscribe button, and I'll catch up with y'all on the next episode of Shift Talk.